Canada Immigration Plan 2023 to 2025. Summary of Canada's Immigration Levels Plan. Each year, the Federal Department of Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, releases a new Immigration Levels Plan which it uses to guide its operations. In 2022, IRCC is well on track to welcome more than 430,000 immigrants to Canada. In 2023, this target will rise to 465,000 new permanent residents (PRs). In 2024, Canada will aim to welcome an additional 485,000 immigrants, and in 2025 another 500,000. The following table summarizes Canada's immigration targets between 2023 to 2025 by immigration class. Total immigration, year 2023, 465,000 people. Year 2024, 485,000 people. Year 2025, 500,000 people. Economic immigration, year 2023, 266,210 people. Year 2024, 281,135 people. Year 2025, 301,250 people. Family immigration, year 2023, 106,500 people. Year 2024, 114,000 people. Year 2025, 118,000 people. Refugee immigration, year 2023, 76,305 people. Year 2024, 76,115 people. Year 2025, 72,750 people. Humanitarian immigration, year 2023, 15,985 people. Year 2024, 13,750 people. Year 2025, 8,000 people. Why Canada needs immigrants? Canada welcomes high levels of immigration to keep its economy strong. Canada has one of the world's oldest populations, and also one of the world's lowest birth rates. This creates economic and fiscal pressures. Canada has a low rate of natural population growth which results in low rates of labor force and economic growth. Low economic growth makes it difficult for Canada to raise the taxes it needs to support social spending on services such as education, health care, and other important areas that provide high living standards in the country. As a result, Canada has been increasing its immigration levels since the late 1980s to increase its rate of population, labor force, and economic growth. Canada now depends on immigration for the majority of its population and labor force growth, and a larger share of its economic growth. Consider that Canada will have 9 million baby boomers reach the retirement age of 65 by the year 2030. This means that Canada will have fewer workers at a time when its social spending on health care will rise. To alleviate this challenge, Canada has been proactive by gradually raising its immigration targets for over 30 years now. As shown in the chart below, Canada has regularly welcomed over 200,000 immigrants per year since 1988. In recent years, it has decided to increase its levels to over 400,000 per year. Canada's immigration rate now stands at around 1.1%. In other words, Canada welcomes 3 times more immigrants on a per capita basis than the United States of America. Based on its demographic realities and its immigration trends, it appears likely that Canada will continue to gradually increase its immigration levels over the foreseeable future. Immigration will remain critical to supporting a healthy economy and fiscal situation in the country. Moreover, a strong argument can be made that immigration's importance has increased due to the coronavirus pandemic. COVID-19 has weakened the Canadian economy in the short run and increased government spending on social services. In addition, Canada's birth rate fell to its lowest level ever of 1.47 children per woman in 2019. Given the low birth rate prior to the pandemic, and the chance the pandemic will reduce the birth rate even further due to economic uncertainty, Canada will become even more dependent on immigration for its population growth in the coming years. If Canada's birth rate remains low, then immigration will comprise an even larger share of labor force growth in the decades to come. Finally, Canada will need to strengthen its tax base through immigration to support government spending following COVID-19.